A pleasant day to all employers in Hong Kong. My name is Lisel Diaz. I am 39 years old. I am a single parent. I have son. He is now 17 years old. I work in Kuwait for 2 times and in Dubai. Total of 7 years in these countries. My first employer in Kuwait, mom delivered a baby after 1 week of my arrival. In Dubai, I have to take care of 6 children. All are going to school. But I have worked together with one Indonesian housemaid. There's no fixed duty for me and for the Indonesian. We help each other and everything. So we need to prepare the kids going to school in the morning. Make sure that their meal is ready. And uniform, socks, and bag. They don't take a bath before they're going to school. They only take a bath after they come back from school. The 5 kids, they have to go to school bus, but the youngest one is driving by the car of their father. I also work in Kuwait again. They are for my last employer. They are 2 girls and schooling. I want to work in Hong Kong so that I could earn more money and to help to my family. My son now is schooled in a higher level. So I need also financial aid for my family. I am willing to learn the Hong Kong procedure as I know it's not the same as in Kuwait and Dubai. I am hardworking, patient, and willing to learn. Thank you, Mom, for reading my biodata. I hope you will give me a chance to work in your family. Thank you and have a good day.